Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on my YouTube channel, and I hope you're doing pretty good. My name is Clifford Mlauzi, and today's video I want to talk about my journey as a YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscribers. Yo, guys. I'm gonna make this video as short as possible, but I just make sure that I put the most important information that you can learn. If you're also a YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscribers, you can learn how I'm doing it myself, and you should also drop the comments. Also, give me some advice on what I can do better so that I can get more subscribers or get more views. So yeah, it's gonna be a win-win situation. But yeah, let's get started into the video. So I started my YouTube channel back in 20 actually like got registered my YouTube channel in 2017, but I started like actively posting content back in 2021 after I realized that you can make more money, like you can make a decent amount of money on YouTube. And the minute I learned about that, I started getting serious. But the only problem that I had was, what am I gonna post? So I'm gonna tell you this thing. I am that one person who has got like a lot of ideas, thinking of. I think if I watch a certain video, I'm always interested. I think I can do that. If I watch this one doing maybe playing with bananas, like I think I can do that. If I watch somebody playing with maybe like doing interviews, I'm always like I think I can do that. And I'm this person who is capable of doing a lot of stuff. And then because of there was too much that I can do, now I got stuck not knowing what I should do, right? So I'm pretty sure you understand this feeling whereby you feel like you're capable of doing a lot of stuff, but then you don't know what you should do exactly. Okay, so I was in this space whereby that there's an opportunity for me. There's an opportunity that I can put content on my YouTube channel, but I just don't know which content to start with or which content to focus on which content to do this. So this actually like set me back for quite some time, because I was just like trying to find out how I can just focus on a single topic or whatsoever. And I feel like if I focus on a single topic on my YouTube channel, this other part of me is gonna be dying. Like I also wish I could be sharing about these things, but on the other hand, I don't want to be learning two YouTube channels. Like I don't want to be learning two YouTube channels, posting different stuff on my YouTube channel. Like on this channel, maybe I'm posting about food. On this channel, maybe I'm posting about travel. I didn't want that because I already know the hassle of growing a YouTube channel. So growing two YouTube channels could have just been like, oh, too much work. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but yeah. So I spend a lot of time trying to find out like how can I niche, how can I niche down, how can I do this, how can I do that. But I realized that most of successive YouTubers did not start with just niching, saying, "Good, I'm just gonna focus on maybe travel or food." They didn't just start like that. They started with whatever they thought they would start with, and they started going down niching down, looking at the demand of their content, looking at how their content was performing. So if let's say you're that one person who likes food, travel, who likes maybe fashion, um, they could just like do everything, and then they could see how engagement is coming. And then when you do like a lot of stuff, you start enjoying certain things more than the other, and then that's how you like start like feuding, going deeper and deeper and deeper, and get to the point of feeling like you've niched down. And then you start focusing on that thing. And then if you still feel like you would want to keep on sharing the other stuff, then it's good to start another YouTube channel, because the first one has already got established, and it's just going on so nicely. And then it's when you can start a YouTube channel. So I was like, now there are a lot of stuff that I can do, but I don't want to start two YouTube channels or three YouTube channels to whatsoever. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna post content. I'm gonna post whatever I feel like I'm good at, whatever I feel like posting, whatever I feel like doing it. And as I go, I'm gonna be niching down slowly. So as I'm talking right now, I don't wanna lie, I haven't yet figured out what I should mainly focus on posting on my YouTube channel. But I'm this person who is interested in a lot of stuff, and I just enjoy doing almost all of these things. So like I just give you a list of things that I do. Maybe you can help me in the comment section what I should actually just focus on, because I want to like to make sure that um, I want to be enjoying making the content, enjoying posting the content, and also enjoy the feedback that comes in the end, because I just don't want like to make content put there just because you guys love it. I have to make sure content that I also love and enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an example. I'm someone who likes, like, I totally like traveling, right? I totally like traveling. So I would love to make more content about me traveling around, going to different places, something like that. So if you can actually like go in my previous video, you see that I've actually traveled to a number of districts here in Malawi, and I'm looking forward to travel even outside Malawi and travel around the world. So I love traveling a lot. And another thing that I also love personally, I love making films. I'm a filmmaker by profession. So it's something that I also love to do. Like, I love making content, making short films, making documentaries, making all that. And I want like to make sure that I take this passion seriously, that I should create content that should inspire you guys, motivate you guys, should teach you guys, and all sort of stuff. So I like filming. And apart from that, guys, I also like what is so called getting um, to learn from different people, maybe interviewing people, learning about their experiences, about their success, their failures, their lessons, whatsoever. So that actually falls into podcast, documenting, and interviews and so on, something like that. So I would love like also to go around and reach out to people that actually doing good in life, that actually like doing things that can inspire, that other people can learn from them. And I want to ask them questions and learn from them and so on. And I want to make content around that area. And lastly, I'm somebody who is interested in forex trading. Guys, I love forex trading. I love trading the financial markets, and yeah, pretty good. And so far so good. I'm actually enjoying the journey. That I've posted a lot of content on my YouTube channel about this, and I've actually gotten a lot of feedback from you guys, that you're learning, that you've actually catching up, you're improving just because of watching my content. And I pretty much appreciate your feedback and all that. And yeah, so you can see that I'm this person who wants to make forex content, and I want to make interviews and podcasts. And on the other hand, I want to make films and documentaries. And on the other hand, I also want to make travel content. So I'm just start, guys. I don't know exactly what kind of content I should focus on, but I honestly, I would enjoy like making any of this content. Like, I enjoy being in this space, because I'm not the person who enjoys staying in an office. I'm not the person who I just hate 9 to 5 jobs, guys. That's why I'm here with you, to help me what I should mainly focus on. But then I want to focus on a niche that should actually help my YouTube channel to grow, and help me to grow my fan base and all that. And if you're in this situation, you feel like you are me, and oh, by the way, I've actually like done the research, trying to look into different creators on YouTube. I've actually seen people, they into travel, lifestyle, food, fashion, and then they put the thing together and then they go. And then with me, it's just like my travel and filming actually like goes together, and filming and documentaries, podcast, it also goes together. But let's talk about this financial part, where we're talking about forex trading. So this is like an education platform where I'll be teaching people how to trade. So I just feel like there's a little bit of conflict between these four things, but I know that there's someone out there who just focuses on travel. Because let's be honest, guys, when you say you're making travel content, doesn't mean like just traveling. No, no. You travel, meet people, learn about culture, learn about fashion, learn about things, about a lot of stuff, right? So that's all about traveling. So I just don't know, guys. Anyway, I understand most of you guys, you come here on YouTube to learn from different people, but then I'm here to learn from you, like to actually help me to understand these things better, like what should I actually focus on, what should I actually do. But as I'm talking, I have subscribers less than 1,000, and I'm actually looking forward to grow my YouTube channel, guys. I also want to see my YouTube channel getting to 1,000 subscribers someday. I want to see my YouTube getting to 10,000 subscribers someday, to 100,000 subscribers someday, guys. It's gonna be an amazing thing, guys. It's gonna be an amazing thing. And yeah, creating content is something that I love. I love working with cameras. Not just about me creating content, but me, I love cameras. I have this good side of visualizing things, like this side of creativity in me, so I feel like I enjoy it. And yeah, I want your support, guys, to support my content, like my YouTube channel. Yeah, like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, help me grow my YouTube channel to some big numbers that I should actually look at and appreciate, should actually stay motivated to look at. I've actually like released a web series also, and this is just me trying to build a community with you guys. I want to get more feedback from you. Tell me what can I do better, and what can I do to inspire you more, and what can I do to teach you. Okay, so I understand that we get inspiration from different places. I go out there from different creators, I learn from them, and I come and then I recreate something and then I share it with you. And then you also absorb the content, you recreate it, and you go and create your own, you create it and go and share with your other people and so on. So life is just like that. You get something from someone, you share it to somebody, like, so you don't have just to get things and keep them to yourself. Sometimes you feel like you're knowing too much, but then too much is not good. Sometimes too much is poisonous. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching this video. I will appreciate every comment that you're gonna drop in the comment section, and I would like to learn from you guys, and let me know what you think, if I can, whether I should focus on one niche, or I should just focus on all these niches, or maybe I should just bring them together and work on them and then later come on one thing. I don't know, but maybe someday I'm gonna open another YouTube channel where I'm gonna just focus on when I'm just going to post specific content on all that. I don't know, but for now, let's focus on growing the numbers. If I can hit 1,000, yo, God is good. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.